Hi, this is Steve Meyer, the market chartist on behalf of forexfraud.com, and we're now going to take a look at both the pound versus the US dollar and the euro versus the US dollar, and both these currencies under continued downside pressures. The pound cable, pound versus US dollar cable spot FX rate remains very much within this bear trend defined really from last summer. The bear trend started really back here from August, but accelerating lower through the beginning of this year. And despite the rebound effort we've seen back here late January into early February, a grind lower through late February, into early February, and then this plunge lower in late February since the announcement of the the referendum in the UK on the EU. That's left the market through this 140.00 psychological support level, and then bigger picture. If we go all the way to this long-term monthly chart, the market had already broken down through this. This trend line comes from all the way from 1985, already broken that in January, and real risk now down to 135.04 as we go out into March. This important low from 2009. If we take a look at the euro, not quite the same setup, but a negative theme more within a range environment. Previously, we had this bullish shift with the break higher in February, early February, up through 110.60 and 110.96. The subsequent setback in here over the last couple of weeks, back from 113.76 to nudge down towards this 109.02 level, leaves a more negative theme in here. We feel within what we see as a broader range theme now going into the going into the late part of Q1, going into March. We see a negative bias with potential down towards 107.77, through which we'd see a more bearish shift. This has been Steve Meyer, the market chartist on behalf of forexfraud.com, and I wish you a great trading week.